Plush. So on today's video, switch it up for y'all a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all how to properly hang a piece of art over a piece of furniture. Yes, there's a right or wrong way. Well, let me not say that. There's an easy way and there's a hard way. I'm gonna show y'all the easy way, okay? Tools. Got your hammer, got your nail. Need a sturdy nail because everybody's walls are different. And now let me just show y'all something that makes it easier. So y'all know how, y'all see this wire. Y'all see how pictures be having these hooks? All you gotta do is wrap a wire around this. Some people don't know about this wire trick. They'll just try to even it out. You use a, what is it called? A scale, use a stick to hang it up. I used to do it that way. My new job showed me an easier way and I'm about to show y'all. Okay, so now I have it above the couch. The proper way to hang stuff is about 3 to 4 inches above either a headboard or a couch or just anything, any piece of furniture, because if it's too high, it's gonna look like it's not a part of your scene. It gotta be at the perfect level, 3 or 4 inches. So me, for beginners, you guys can measure, but me, I've been doing this for so long, I just eyeball it. So I just do one of these, and that looks perfect to me. So me, since I just eyeballed it, I kind of know where to put my nail. When you have a wire, you can use one nail. Now, if you had no wire, you would have had to do a whole bunch of extra stuff. So here goes the nail. And if you need to know where your center mark is sometimes, y'all know how couches have the little dents in the middle? Yeah, you just go off that. Me, I know that this is the middle of the couch. So I just raise my nail. It's about right here. Hammer it in. Take my wire. I have to stand on the couch. Now, this is trial and error. Y'all know this too high. Y'all know this is too high. Y'all see what I mean? It could work, but in reality, that's too high. So let me show you. Let me make sure it is secure, that it's not going to fall out the wall when I leave. And then now you just move it to level it out. Make sure it's not crooked. That looks good to me. No, it doesn't. See how I had to stand over and look at my angle? Also, a little trick, if it's not centered, just move the couch down a little bit. Just move it. Look at that. Isn't it perfect? And that's how you hang a piece of art.